Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Monopoly Go won't load. One of the reasons why your Monopoly Go app won't load is your internet connection. So the first method to fix this issue is to check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi connection here, so you can transfer or change it to data connection and try to restart your Monopoly Go if that fixed the issue. Now the second method right here is to clear cache. So tap and hold this app and go to app info. And then from here, all you need to do is go to storage and you just need to clear all cache. Then you can try to reopen your app if that fixed the issue. Now the third method that you're going to do here is that you need to make sure that your Monopoly Go app is up to date. So go right here on Google Play Store and search right here Monopoly Go. And if you find that update button, so all you need to do is tap on update. So it will actually fix the Monopoly Go won't load issue. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.